Hello. Okay, the second video to the details. I switch to the Nomad app. Okay, and I don't know the word, but this part and the tail. Okay, how to do this one way. There are many ways to do this. Um, I switch to these parts and delete them. Okay, I check the wire frame of the horse. Um, I switch the outline on, it's okay. Um, and no selected mesh, okay. Um, the multi-resolution, it was in the video before 2 times subdivided. I turn the subdivision up for this. And we check the selection mask on, and the lasso tool is okay. Now we draw like a leash or okay, unmask was selected again. Oh, I switched to the saddle. Um, where is the mask gone? Here is the mask. I draw it a little bit finer. Okay, I think it's okay. Go to the mask settings. Um, check the shell thickness. It's okay when it's a little bit thinner. Make sure that's shell for extraction and extracted. Good. We can go in a side view, and we can check the move tool, make the brush a little bit bigger, and now we can bring it a little bit down, for example. So I don't sorry, there's a little bit mistake. Go to the mask tool and extract it again. There is a little bit of a mistake in it. We check the view. View is right, orthographic is on, and we draw it again. We can symmetry is off. Lasso tool is okay. Okay, I think now it's okay. I rotate it. The selection mask goes always through the object. The mask, when I only mask one area, it's only on this side of the horse. Okay, now we can extract it, and now it should be in place. Okay, now we can change the view a little bit. Select the move tool, adjust the radius, and bring it a little bit down. I think now it's okay. We can go to the horse, press the mask button, and deselect the mask. I think we can bring it a little bit outside. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, we can switch to the front view and make it solo. And now we can add a box. We can bring this box to the right, a little bit down, and we can shrink it. Okay, this size is okay. We can go to the right view and bring it here. And we can make it, for example, we switch it to blending and we make the opacity that we can look through it. So, and now the box is in place. Okay, switch to the front view. We can validate it and we can go to the topology box to the end of the list and we can here adjust the resolution. Force cubic we can turn off or on, and in this case it's a cube. And now we can make it 300, I think. We can convert it in a triplanar object, and in the mask settings we can clear the mask. We can see through it and it's okay. We can go to the selection mask, and here there's a shape ellipse is centered, that's okay. And we can take the ellipse. And now we draw an ellipse like this. Okay. And we can take the symmetry off and unmask it. And draw the ellipse again. You can do it more precise. Okay. And we can go to the rectangle tool and we can draw here. No. Front view. Unmask off and mask it. We can do with the lasso tool a few adjustments if you want. Unmask. So, I think it's fine. We can go to the side view, right, and we can take the rectangle tool, mask, and draw a rectangle, and we can look, it's okay. I think it's okay. And we can validate it. Now we can remesh it, or about 150, okay, remesh. And now we can sculpt with this, and we can bring with the symmetry, we can switch it to the other side. And we can give it a color, or that's the way is only important how to go to get this. And now we got this tools for the saddle, I say. I go to the right view, I add a box, I bring the box there, and I'm changing in the topology box the box geometry, same size off, and now we can adjust the X size and the Y size. Yeah, that's, I think it's a little bit of an error. And I bring it a little bit outside of the horse and change the, oh no. So it's okay. Okay, it's fine. We can bring it inside the horse and validate it. Check the right view and go to the topology box and triplanar, resolution 340 is okay, and force cube off, converted. In the mask settings, clear the mask. We show we can make it, it seems it's opaque, but check blending and make it opaque. And now we can brush. Mask is on. This is the radius of the brush. Check the brush. Fall off is okay. Alpha is okay. Dot is okay. Symmetry off. And now we can brush the tail of the horse. For example, like this. We can go to the top view and now we can brush like this. Go to the back. No, it's funny. And okay. It's a little bit of testing and doing it. We can unmask some things when it's not fine. Okay, and when it's fine, validate it. Now we have a tail. We can remesh the tail for about 100. Okay, remesh it. And now we can sculpt. Smooth it, flatten it, clay, and so on. Okay, that's it. And you can do this also on things like you can mask, for example, here, oops, unmask is on. You can do here some things and extract it with a shell or so. But be careful with the mask, it's only on one side. I don't know how to No, you have to use the selection mask. Okay, try it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.